guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make an easy but yet delicious shrimp fried rice. So for this we are going to be using 1 egg, and I wanted to show you guys what I do to my egg. I like to remove this white part from the egg right here. As a Haitian, we grew up in houses of our parents or mother telling us this is what makes the egg kind of smell when you fry it. So I like to always remove that when I cook it. Some might say it's not true, but I grew up hearing that, so I really find it to be true. And I will be using 2 tablespoons of good soy sauce, and I have 17 large shrimp that I already cleaned, and I'm using 4 cups of cooked rice. I cooked this rice 2 days ago. You want to make sure that your rice is old rice, and you want to make sure it's cold rice that you are using. And I'm using 2 cups of mixed vegetables, and I have 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, and I have some scallions that I chopped up just for garnish, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of olive oil, but if you have sesame oil, that would be delicious in this recipe. And of course some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, so to get started, you want to go ahead and turn your stove to medium high. I'm going to add half of that oil, and I went ahead and beat my egg. So I like to start by scrambling my eggs. I don't like to scramble my eggs with the rest of my I don't like to scramble my eggs with my vegetables. I just like to do it separately just to get it out of the way and remove it out of the pan. Sorry, I was trying to grab my cooking ware when I was putting in the egg. So I don't like to break it up. Just try to leave it and let it do its thing. It's going to cook very, very fast. So go ahead and turn it. If you like more eggs, you can definitely add 2 eggs if you wish. But I'm just all about the rice and the shrimp when it comes to this recipe. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed the beef and broccoli video that I had out last week. I know some people were like, that don't look like Haitian food. Guys, I grew up in North Dakota. I've been living in the state for more than 25 years. So I like every type of food. I enjoy Mexican food, Chinese food, whatever type of food I just love. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove my egg, and I'm going to add the rest of my oil, and to that I'm going to add my onion, and my peas. This dish is really, really super quick. Of course, anything stir fry is super quick. And I went ahead and add a little bit of salt and pepper to my shrimp. So you want to go ahead and mix that. And then I'll add my shrimp to this. You want to definitely make sure that you do not overcook your shrimp. And all I'm doing is making sure my shrimp are turning pink. If you haven't, please go like my Facebook page and come follow me on Instagram, and come snap with me on Snapchat. Go follow my Twitter page. You can also find me on Pinterest. And please guys, remember to share that Facebook page for me. That would mean a lot to me. And please share these videos with everybody you know. I know you guys are already doing it, and I really deeply appreciate you guys for supporting the channel. But let's just continue to grow the channel so I can be more motivated to make more videos for you guys. But hopefully you guys do appreciate these videos, because I do love making them for you. And I will leave the link for all those social medias down in the description box. So all I'm doing is making sure my shrimp get a little color, which does not take long at all. Okay, already looking good. And now you want to go ahead and add that cold rice. Again, like I said, this is 2 days old rice, so it's really cold. Just came out of the fridge. And you want to just make sure you break up your rice. If it's not cold, it's going to be mushy, and we are not going for mushy rice with this recipe at all. Just trying to break the rice apart. I love easy meals like this, especially if I go to the Chinese restaurant. I know this here is gonna cost me a whole lot of money, and I literally made this with just stuff I had around the house. If you don't like green beans, you can definitely take out the green beans, or just buy different types of mixed vegetables. But I don't mind green beans, so that's why I have them in there. You can do this with chicken instead if you don't like seafood, or you can simply just leave the meat out, period. So now I'm going to go ahead and add my soy sauce. 2 tablespoons. I wish I had dark soy sauce. That will make it nice and dark. Just mix everything. As you can see, the shrimp is continuing to cook. And just keep breaking up that rice. And add that egg back into the party. Oh, it smells so good already. Once I added that soy sauce, it smells absolutely delicious. Okay, now I'm going to go in with a little bit of black pepper. And a little bit of salt. Again, just mix everything in. And if you like extra soy sauce, you can definitely add it as you are eating. But other than that, you just continue mixing. Like that. And of course, I want to give a taste. I'm going to take a piece that have a little bit of egg. You can't tell me I didn't go to the Chinese restaurant and grab some stir-fried rice. This is so good and easy to make at home. And this is pretty much it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you want it darker, you can add a little more soy sauce, or you can just add it as you are eating it. And now my green scallion, I'm just gonna use to garnish my plate so I can take those beautiful pictures for you guys. Like I said, this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and please share. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.